Yeah.
I can't do that.
I don't even know where you are.
Yeah, I'm in the lobby.
Yeah, you missed. Hit respawn.
Oh, okay.
Not the lobby actually, not like the lobby where you start the game. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say. I think I'm gonna have to end the game.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the game. Go back to hub. I'll fight both you guys.
No, don't go back to hub.
Go back to hub. I'll
No.
fight both. I'm that confident.
Okay. Alright, Drew, I'm gonna come on YouTube.
So
Go back to hub.
No.
Alright. So someone
Go back to
what?
2. Go to team 2. I went to team 1. I'm in team 1. I'm in team 2. 1. Go to team 2.
Ah, ooh yeah.
No.
Yes, go to team 2.
Go to team. You're on team 1?
Yeah, I'm on team 1 with Drew.
I can fight. Alright, go to team 1.
I am in team 1.
Oh, okay, so go to team 2.
I mean, do you want to fight us or do I? Do you
I want to fight y'all.
Okay.
I'm that confident.
Are you in team 2?
You. What?
I want to fight y'all. So
Yeah,
you
no,
guys get on the same team.
Are you in team 2 or no?
I think I'm on team 1. I think I'm on. Alright, I'm gonna go to team. Alright, everyone go. Alright, everyone go to team 1. Well, not me, but
We're
just
already
everyone
in
else.
team 1.
How do I go to different teams?
We're in team 1 right now. Go to
Okay,
team 2 and go to team 1.
Alright, I'm in team 2. So just.
It took you a long time. It's not that hard.
Oh yeah, baby girl, what you call me again?
Because I'm really confident in myself that I can do.
No, you should not. You should not be confident that you can beat us both.
Okay, so.
Go.
I'm sitting down right now.
Ah, we hit. I call this the build montage.
GG. That was actually pretty good.
Oh god.
I was worth.
I can tell you. Brother, don't spam build, you're just gonna... Alright, so...
Can't spam them.
100 rounds.
Can't spam go like that, my guy.
Oh, that was the wall.
I'm rusty, brother. I just got on. Oh! Rusty, brother.
Alright.
Look at Drew just walking around. Wait, was that you? RBC? On top?
Just walking around.
Making my way downtown with the crowd. You about to go down. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
TikTok.
TikTok on the block. You about to get some.
Maximum lag overload.
I can't. Oh my god, that was a lag.
Sensitivity so off. Where's he at?
Oh, I'm lagging. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh, that was some bad lag. Bro, I was one way, and then I turned into
Wait, Drew,
another
one sec,
way.
Drew, one sec. I have to do something.
I was in one way. I was right over there and teleported all the way
Drew,
over.
I have to do something.
I'm doing this.
Okay, whatever you do not do anything. I have to do something.
Drew, rest me.
I
Drew,
have
rest
to
me.
do something.
Come here.
Do not.
Come here.
Do not.
He's coming. He's coming. Oh,
I'm sorry, I had to do this.
my god, help me. Help me. I'm streaming,
Oh,
you know,
wait,
right?
let me watch. Hey!
You know that I'm streaming, right?
No, next time I will never let you do anything. This is death. You know this, right? This is your last time ever being alive. You know that,
I'm
right?
streaming, you know that, right?
That's your last
time
win.
for violations.
Go!
Brother, my God, holy.
How much ammo do you have?
I have enough to make everybody happy.
Oh, good job.
Oh my God, that was a
I need to
pre-fire.
start.
That pre-fire
I need
was
to start
insane.
improving. Like I've been low-key. I've been doing VOD reviews. I need to stop just like opening up when people are just.
Yeah, start actually trying. You take care. What are you
Yeah,
doing?
start trying.
Are you
Now I'm a little
playing
bit rusty too.
I'm not even trying.
Okay.
Open that door up and see what happens.
Okay, this is a tip for sure.
Cheese!
GG's, bro.
Oh, GG. Look at Drew. Drew, what are you doing? I think he disconnected. Oh, never mind.
It's true gamer time now, boy.
What?
I'm a free kill.
Oh my gosh. I was too distracted to Drew. I don't even know.
There's just two people on you. You don't know who to look at.
No, I don't. I was just distracted by Drew. Like
This guy was spamming. I was just spamming you. He was spamming you. I started.
I wasn't.
And I just came over here. Oh, that's some lag. Whoa, buddy.
Oh, come. Oh, come on. That is so. I thought you were just gonna walk around and just roam around. That would have been such a cool deal.
He came out of nowhere and just bot.
I came out there and shot. You don't mess with me, you don't know who I am.
I mean, you did just focus on me, not him.
Whoa.
Brother, I can't see.
What? You are actually so good with that. That was fun. On controller, it's pretty easy to get a 200 pump.
No, it's pretty hard.
That's why
You get a little bit.
It's not that hard, not gonna lie. I mean, it is kind of hard.
Shut up about aim assist. Shut it.
Yeah. We don't have aim assist. Like we said, aim assist
We don't got an
sucks.
elbow to help us win, bro. We don't got our entire arm to help us win. We'll still use freaking aimbot.
Oh my gosh. This is so pressuring. What do I do? You guys! No! What do I do?
By the way, it was first to 10.
What do I do?
It was first to 10.
There's nothing I can do.
He got
First and 10, first and 10, first and 10.
literally got
No, you just sprayed in my box!
But I started just
sprayed your box.
freaking.
That was all Todd.
I can't build a ramp. I can't build a ramp, sir.
Is that box again?
Did you try it? Bro, what are you trying to do? Just what?
Oh, dang. I absolutely missed. I suck. It was first to 10, by the way, first to 10. So.
First to 10. Alright. I'm about to go PP mode.
We got one
I'm
more.
about to go PP mode.
One more.
I'm warning
I'm
y'all.
going big wiener mode.
And I'm gonna change to one. Y'all versus me. I don't care.
Nah, I'm about to go PP mode.
Not 10,
I'm about to go
yeah.
PP mode. I'm about to go PP mode. Don't worry. Don't worry. Mom, don't worry. I'm going PP
What the heck?
mode.
How do I not pull out my shotgun instead? Sheesh. Trying to heal.
Where's this man at?
Yay!
Okay.
No, let me get back
Back
on
to
my
lobby,
shot.
back to lobby.
No. No.
No. I'm going PP mode now. I'm
No.
going PP mode.
I'm ending the game. I'm going by
PP
myself.
Mode.
No.
I'm going PP mode. Dude, I can't
lose
do
if you go
box
by
fights.
yourself. It's victory.
I cannot do box fights. If we get in EAG, I will body you and destroy you.
Okay. But no, I'll just see. I'll just see. No. I'll just see. Go to the team 1.
Team what?
Team 1.
Go to team
Why
1.
did you just leave?
No.
Yes.
Y'all wanna play
Yes,
some drills?
come here.
Like I wanna
No.
play some drills.
No.
Arena trios.
We'll do that after.
Trios?
No, just no arena drills.
After.
We can do arena drills if
After.
we want. I honestly, I don't really
Get back
care.
in here so I can 1v1 you.
Come on, 1v1. Wait, no, a 2v1.
I'm scared.
Because you think you're so good.
2v1.
Trash.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat y'all. Get back in here.
Oh, you can get all these done, dude. Look at that.
Alright, you're in team 1, right? You're in team 1?
Drew, just
Yeah, I'm in team 1.
Drew, just stay out of the fight. I'm gonna destroy this kid.
No,
Die.
you could just
No,
come over here if you
Drew,
want.
No, Drew, don't worry.
I'll clean up.
Because since you were spamming last time, I could not really concentrate. Don't worry, Drew.
I never
I'll beat him.
spammed you, bro.
Trust me.
You're gonna lose, boy.
Nope. Nope.
You're low already. You're already gonna lose. I'm gonna hide my little corner. Got those little secrets. Got those little secret rooms. Go around them. If you die, I'm coming in there to help. Shot right now. I'm so mad.
Oh my god, I can't build a freaking... You know what a wall is, FoRtNiTe? You know what a freak is building a wall? Have you ever heard of Donald Trump, eh?
Did we win? Did we win?
Alright, come on. He's so low. He's so low right now.
What
Yeah.
the
Came up with the clean up.
Alright, Drew,
Told
you can
ya.
join the fight. You can join the fight, I don't care.
Just run that back and I'll destroy him, like I almost did.
Like
Okay,
you
I'll sit back here
almost
then.
did, but I never
what I did
healed, by the
last
way. I
time.
never healed, by the way.
Usually-
And you healed, and I still destroyed you. Well, it's the wrong person.
I'm right in here trying not to die. You gotta stick out to my forehead.
He's so low. He's so low right now. He is legit so low.
I know he.
He is legit so low. Just one pump. Oh, never mind. He got like full health. I promise you, I'm getting there. I am so rusty. Rusty's in a. Okay, Drew.
You got so lucky. I was full health. You got so
You're
lucky with
not
that hit
full.
Dude,
You're
don't
full
worry.
health.
Stand back. Stand back. Stand back.
You're
Stand back.
full
stand
health. You're
I'm
full
not
health,
gonna
and then
stand
one
back. You
punch
died
you.
twice in a row.
Yeah.
No,
Don't
stand back. Stand
no,
back.
no,
Trust
stay.
me. Trust
No,
me on this
no,
one.
no.
Trust me on this
No.
one. Trust me.
Okay.
I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise.
What if you die? I don't know what to say. You died.
God, I can't build. Why can't I build?
Oh wait, no.
60.
I don't want to be using this. I wanna
60
use the
damage
brick.
for a golden pump.
If you don't hit him in our vitals,
Why did you just waste that slurpfish? What the? Sir, what are you doing? It looks like you're struggling right now.
hello mate. Bye bye. Please don't shoot me. Ah! Please don't shoot me.
Please don't shoot me. Ah!
Please win.
Oh, GG.
Okay. So I officially have to take action now.
I cannot do box fights. So bad.
Then why'd you pick box fights? That's my question.
I don't know. I haven't done box fights
Okay,
for
now.
ages.
So I have to actually help now.
I'm always absolutely gold.
What the heck? Oh my god,
Take
what
the
is
top.
that?
Take the top.
Dude, he's so low. He has no shield. He's white. Don't let him heal. Don't let him heal. He's white. Dude, this spray is thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my wow. Come on, you got this. You got this, bro. You got this. You got You
I
got
can't
this, bro.
build. I can't build, buddy. I can't build. I'm building a wall, but it don't work. It's so easy. You're lucky I didn't kill you with a shotgun. I was trying to pickaxe you.
Oh, what?
Dude, I'm so.
What the heck happened to my...
Build over the top, make it where he can't get up. Oh, what the? Get away from me!
Brother,
Kill
something...
him!
I can't build. I can't build.
Dude, my shots are so bad. I need to improve on my aim.
Kill
Oh,
him!
dang. I need to improve on my aim. You know what?
If I let you solo fight him, you always die. It doesn't make sense.
And when both of y'all come at me, you also die.
I get shot. In the head.
Cause I'm good.
Dude, he's white, he's white, he's white.
I
Dude,
can't
look,
get
Drew, what are you doing? Drew, he's
I'm
legit.
lagging, that's what I'm doing, man.
Drew, I mean, Drew, just look at you. I mean, honestly, we could do this. But, I mean, look at you. Why can't you hit your shots? I'm not saying both for you, but still.
Sorry, I'm
You're
getting
the one better
destroyed, y'all.
than me, and I've gotten freaking more wins without you.
Yeah, because I always get him white.
No, you never do. You never do.
Yeah, I do, and then you heal.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging. You legit. That was legitness, my dude. That was legitness, my dude.
How would you? I hit you right in the forehead and you didn't die.
That was legitness, my dude. Because LJC didn't even hit me, brother. I hit him one shot, 203, right in the head. Oh, that was legitness, brother. That was legitness, brother. Oh, brother.
He's white, he's white, he's white.
That's
Oh my gosh,
legitness, my brother.
Wow! Look at you!
Brother,
Let's go.
no, what is this lag? No, the amount of lag I am having
Bro,
is insane.
you legit 200 pump me every game and you're complaining about like one thing.
Because, no, I swear I had. I didn't have. It's not even about ping. It's about how much I'm lagging. Freaking stream. I bet stream can even see that, brother.
Rush him.
Oh,
How did you go over there?
Dude, he's white. He's so low right now. Drew, please, just come. Just come. Let's go. Get wrecked.
I thought you were coming right in front of me. I thought you were coming in front of me. And then you just come over there from the top and say hello, brother.
Get wrecked, someone, boy.
Boss Marco didn't do anything. Drew is carrying you right now.
I got you.
Yeah, okay. Brother, stop it.
He's low.
Yeah? Okay, hold on. I have to do something. I think your mom was vacuuming me.
In the background.
Yeah, because that's why I had to die. I had to do something.
Look at me carrying you.
Man, such a bad spot.
LJC.
Can't hear any. I can't see anything. If I die. Mom. Oh my god, I can't see. I can't see crap. I'm dead. Brother, I can't see crap. I can't see crap.
Got him. What you saying?
I can't see crap. I said I can't see crap.
I just needed a warm-up. That's all. I just need a warm-up.
I just needed to get back on my seat. Can I get back on my seat? Nope. Okay. I'm not gonna leave me again. What the freak?
He's low.
I'm not that low, brother. You hit me.
You're lower than me, him.
No, I'm not lower than you. I'm lower than the average.
Hello.
What the heck? Why am I lagging?
I don't know why.
Why am I lagging? Oh my god, bro. Not for real, I'm lagging. I was in one spot and then apparently the game wanted me to teleport to another spot. No, I still had 100 health and 67 shield.
Yeah, are you just doing stuff? No, huh?
God, I can't shoot. I can't shoot. Dang it.
I got that. Huh? I stole it.
Yeah. I think it
Huh?
does.
Huh?
Yeah.
What are y'all doing? Oh. I can't build. I can't build. Why can't I build? Stop. I can't build. Just again. I'm trying to say I can't build. Good.
Oh, now just me versus.
That's not good because I feel bad for you. But it's not even fair, bro. I can't even build. I swear I'm over here. I'm lagging though. Even though I have good ping. The lag is insane. Wait, don't do anything. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me.
Don't make walls in.
Mother, I said don't kill me.
I don't.
Boy, the same thing happened to me. I got shot in the forehead. I don't trust people who say don't kill me.
Okay then. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. What the heck? I can't. Ooga booga, ooga 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 booga, ooga ooga booga, ooga 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 booga. Ah! Die! Die! Yeah! Ah!
You're outside.
Ah!
Don't be outside. Don't be outside. Don't go outside.
Okay. Ah!
No. Run.
Ah! Ah!
Other outside. Maybe other outside.
Ah!
Stop. Get.
Ah! Here, let me try again. Ah!
Don't
Let me try again.
Go in there.
Oh my goodness, don't shoot him, please.
I got go back to Hub real quick. Let's play BHE. I don't want to play it anymore.
Wait, one more round. Me versus. Oh, what?
I just left.
Okay, yeah, back up.
Like I'm still gonna kill you anyway, so
We're on it back to hub.
coronavirus.
So, yo guys, do y'all want to play some trios?
Do I really? Yes, I wanna. Yes, I wanna.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to play some trios.
I
We
forgot
gotta
it's
get a
true.
dub. Gotta get a dub. He.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna make a part.